App crashing when calling the vcomp100.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'm providing the guided solution to fix this logic error now. This DLL file is the Microsoft OpenMP Runtime Library for Visual Studio 2010. It is used by applications to perform parallel processing across multiple CPU cores, speeding up complex mathematical simulations and graphics-heavy tasks. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This issue is typically resolved by refreshing the Microsoft Visual C++ installation. Download the x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables directly from Microsoft and run the setup to repair the runtime. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the vcomp100 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Be aware that manual interventions for the vcomp100.dll often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to the vcomp100. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time Microsoft Visual C++ encounters a critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.